Hello guys, it's your boy, it's your man, it's the Grizmo. It's just Griz today. Sadly, Taffy is still sick, so Griz is out. I'm out on the BMW S1000R. Now I've brought you to this specific place, this part of the rock face of Cheddar Gorge, because it's quite monumental at the moment, to be honest. Griz is super excited. I've got some really epic news for you. Basically, Bristol Kawasaki, the Bristol Kawasaki Centre, has put Griz on their insurance, and Griz is going to do test rides for Bristol Kawasaki. And I wanted to come here because it marks a very poignant and important place for me. This is where I started and I did my first vlog, I think. One of my first vlogs. Don't go trawling through all my vlogs and tell me I was wrong, because I probably am wrong. But it was here. There was pictures here. My thumbnail of the ZX-10R was taken here. So I wanted to come back, get another picture, start the video here, and just tell you my exciting news. So let's take a picture quickly. Right, photo taken. Let's get on the road. Let me tell you all about it. Okay, let's get going. Let's have a chat. Let me tell you all about it. Tell you Griz's exciting news. So Griz has paid Bristol Kawasaki a visit and sat down and had a chat with Steve, the branch manager of Bristol Kawasaki, or the Bristol Kawasaki Centre. I've been going to the Bristol Kawasaki Centre since I first started riding when I was 17. And Steve remembered me. I've been in and I paid him a visit some time ago and asked him about doing test rides. And he was keen on it, but we had a bit of a sticky wicket. And the problem was insurance. And the insurance cost was astronomical, and I couldn't just come in and say, like, let me take one of your bikes out and I'll pretend I'm doing a test ride on it. If we have any problems, then we're just going to make a claim on the insurance that way, and I would pay £1,000 excess. Now that's what I would normally do when I go test ride bikes, but I want to start. I am now being professional, as professional as Griz gets, and just being open with everyone and saying, look, I'm Griz, this is my YouTube channel, these are my intentions, I want to come test ride your bike. A lot of the bikes that I have rode, to be fair, on the channel I've actually been interested in, so it's been cool to do the reviews, but it's also been within mind of me actually buying it, so no one's been deceived, I guess, in that way. But now I'm actually looking to try and, you know, actively do regular test rides. I want it above board, I want it kosher and all that. And yeah, so basically what has happened is that they have put me on their insurance, and Griz is insured to ride any of their bikes. So basically I can ride their brand new demo bikes, and also, and more interestingly, actually just as interestingly I think, actually, let's get it right, Griz, I can test ride their used bikes, and their used bikes are very varied, lots of different makes and ages. So it's going to bring a lot of variety of test rides. It's not just going to be Kawasaki. Now, I know a lot of you guys, and I am listening to you, and I know a lot of you are like, when I talked about doing more test rides and saying, please don't turn, you guys are like, please do not turn into a channel that's just full of test rides. Well, I'm not going to make it that. That is definitely not going to happen. What my plans are, and what I want to do, is to keep what Taffy and I have always done, and just keep it basic, fun vlogs. Me going out for a ride, me and Taffy going out for a ride, some garage stuff, whatever. I want to get that BMW build going again, and there will be other kind of maintenance and you know, build vlogs going on, I'm sure. So that part of the channel will remain. It will remain the same completely. No changes there. But I do need to just chuck in some reviews, just to get the channel out there a bit more. Now, I'm sure you're all thinking, well, Griz, why do you need to get the channel out there a bit more? Well, I want the channel to grow, and the reason I want the channel to grow is that I want to take this on as an actual venture for business, I guess. And when I say business, this isn't like Griz wanting to earn millions. This is Griz just wanting to live the dream. And I think it's actually a very attainable dream. I don't want a lot of money, I just want to cover my bills, basically. And I will be as happy as can be. So yeah, I'm not looking at, you know, trying to coin in money. I mean, it's virtually impossible. I mean, I don't really know how these channels make money, because Bristol Kawasaki Centre, they're not paying me for any of this. I'm doing it completely free, so there's no money to be made in that sense. And from YouTube, the amount of money I get from advertising is almost really actually not worth it. I sometimes feel stupid putting them on there, like, you know. So yeah, there's not really a bunch of money to be made or anything like that. So Griz isn't looking to be a millionaire off of YouTube. But what I want to do, I'm 50, nearly. Hold on. And I want to do something else other than just deliver car parts for the rest of my life. Griz has done a lot of things, and I guess, you know, I've come to this point in my life where, you know, I've tried to do managing companies again, and I can do it. If I want to do it, yeah, I can do it, but I don't want that stress level. And having a stress-free lifestyle is more important to me than money. And I'll be honest, you know, riding bikes is just, it's always been a massive passion for me. And I think that reflects in the channel on how long I've been doing this YouTube station now, or YouTube channel. And I'm like losing money hand over fist on it. So yeah, it's not about the money, guys, but I do want to try and make more of the channel, and just kind of get out there more and have more fun, do lots of different things, not just be stuck in my kind of Monday to Friday 9 to 5 job of driving my van and delivering car parts. Don't get me wrong, I'm utterly and completely thankful for my job. I've had to work really hard to get it, to retain it, and actually excel through that company that I work for now. And now I've just decided to take a back burner, take it easy, just go out and do a little delivery run and enjoy life. But I can sense an opportunity here, and I might be wrong about it. I might have it completely wrong, and you know, what if I am? You know, I've had a bash. I've had a go at trying to be more successful in the things that I enjoy doing more, you know. Why should life be about getting up and doing the same shit every day that you hate doing? Why can't it be about getting up and doing the things you love every day, and maybe not making a fortune of money, but living the life that you want to live? You know, for me, is living the dream. And after going through some of the things I've gone through in life, I've learned that being happy and doing the things that you want to do, and being happy in the things that you do in your day, is absolute paramount. So with that in mind, you know, Griz is putting more into this channel. He's being more serious about it. You know, it's a long-term goal. It may take me another 5 years. If it does, that's fine. Griz is not going anywhere. I'm here, guys, and I'm in it for the long run. I know in the past when I started the channel, I was a bit like, oh, do it for money, and there's no money in it, and I kind of got fed up of some hassle that I had, and I thought, I'll get out of this just isn't any fun. But my focus now has changed. It's not on money, it's on the fun factor. It's getting out, riding these different bikes. I love trying out different bikes and kind of socialising with you guys. Let's go. God, she's fast, this bike. I haven't rode it for like a month and it feels like nothing I've ever rode before. It's completely foreign to me. I've been riding that KTM too long. So, getting back to where we're going, what's happening? Basically, Griz is going to be test riding bikes at the Bristol Kawasaki Centre. It's all above board, it's legit, and it's good stuff, and it's really good stuff, and I'm really, really pleased about it. There's probably not going to be a bunch of test rides yet, because I've got a bit of a problem as where I can only actually go and do the test rides. Sorry, I'm shouting again. The only time I can get and do the test rides is on a Saturday, and yeah, the weather has been abysmal, hasn't it? So yeah, it's trying to make everything coincide, and it's not easy, but I'm sure when the summer comes, next summer 2020, it's going to be pretty epic for Griz, because he's going to be riding bikes regularly. Now, I've given some real serious consideration, and it still might happen at some point in the future, and I am thinking about it still, how I can make it work. But what I want to do is try and go kind of part-time with work, have enough to pay my bills, and then devote more time to Bristol Kawasaki and get down there more often and do more test rides. Whatever, it's just me doing what I want to do, trying to make my dream come true, trying to live the dream, and trying to bring you some fun stuff in the process, and try not to get myself killed by a wonky lorry coming head on at I don't know what speed. So yeah, I'm just super stoked, guys. Super stoked. I'm just so excited. I have been so excited now for like, I had a chat with them a couple of weeks, maybe, was it before my holiday, I think, after the holiday, I'm not sure, but it's been a couple of weeks, 2-3 weeks since I've had a chat, and now we're just trying to wait for a good Saturday. I've also had just like masses going on, and it's been difficult to get there, but I am determined to get there. And you know, if it means spending a day there and taking out like 10 bikes in one day, then that's what it means. Griz is going at it, and Griz wants to bring you more videos, just more stuff, so we can just have more fun, you can enjoy it more. Yes, I do want to set up Patreon, and yes, I do want to do things, but no, I am not for 1 minute going to ask anyone to subscribe to me on Patreon, because I'm not into it, dudes. Dudes, I'm not into it, guys. It's just not my style. It's not my thing. I just want to ride, enjoy, have some like awesome life memories and experiences. And if I succeed from doing that, by doing that, then great. But I'm not asking anyone to put their hands in their pockets and spend on me. If you want to, I will put Patreon there, and it'll be there if you want to tip me or something, but otherwise it's down to you guys. It's free and it's fun. So, there we go. That's where we are with it all. Griz has pulled off what he's been trying to pull off for years. It's not been a focus of mine for a long time at all. It's been like quite the opposite. I've just been like, go out, enjoy yourself, do some fun vlogs, don't worry about stuff like that. And as it is, it's come out that way, and it's just beautiful, and I'm just super lucky and thankful and grateful and excited for the future. It's just what I need at the moment. It's lifted me above all the kind of negativity I've had going on for the last few months. Really, my health is good, I'm good, and I'm going to be absolutely fine, and I'm determined to just get on and enjoy, and you know, just get on with stuff, enjoy it. So everything's good, guys. It's all bloody good. God, this bike is just amazing. I do love it. I love this bike. I do love it. But there is something coming up, and you're gonna need to watch the next video. Sorry. Right, Griz is going. I'm really super stoked, happy, and like super excited. I just can't even get it across to you. Cannot wait to start working and enjoying with Bristol Kawasaki, the Bristol Kawasaki Centre. A massive thank you to Steve, the manager, to Phil, the service manager at Drive Vauxhall, because this is how it all started. Thank you, Phil. You're a bloody star. Thank you, mate. And Simon as well, the sales manager. I know you guys have got together and had a chat with your manager overseas, both companies, and said, get this guy in there. And I am so very grateful. Thank you, guys. Lost for words. Just bloody brilliant. Anyway, Griz is not gonna start crying and blabbing on another vlog with you lot. I'm gonna see you on the next one. I'm gonna pull over, collect my thoughts, and then introduce you this next vlog. Catch you on the next one, guys. Much love. Peace. Bye bye.